step 3, install WordPress. Hey, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to build a blog site, how to create your blog website right from scratch. So let's jump into my laptop screen now so that I'll walk you through the process. Okay, so in this tutorial, we have a 10-step process that I've listed out here. The first step is to get a domain name for your website. The second step is to get a hosting plan, that is to host your website. The third step is to install WordPress. And the fourth step is to import themes and plugins. The fifth step is to add pages to your site. Then step 6 is to create your first blog post. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay. Then step 7 is to publish your blog posts. Now, publishing is very important as creating the blog post is. And then step 8 is to customize your pages. Then step 9 is to add social media icons. Then step 10 is to edit your blog profile to make you look professional. Okay, so these are the 10 steps that you must go through to create your blog. But then in this video, we're going to be starting from the 4th step. All right, because I already have other videos where I have taught from step 1 to step 3. Okay, so the step 1 is to get a domain name for your blog site. A domain name is simply the name of the site, just like your house address. All right, so that's your address online. For example, facebook.com is the domain name of the company Facebook. google.com is the domain name of the company Google. All right, so your own domain name could be yourname.com. all right, so what you do is to go to a company, all right, that is into domain name registration. There are several of them, okay, and you can purchase a domain name. All right, and in the description of this video, I'm going to leave a link, all right, to a company that I'm using and that I trust so much, Namecheap. You can get a domain name from them at a very, very affordable rate. It won't cost you much, okay? And I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video below. All right, but then if you don't have the money to purchase a domain name yet, that shouldn't stop you from creating your blog site. Under this video, I have a link that will take you to a video that I've already done where you can get your domain name for free. You don't have to pay a dime. Okay, so check the description of this video. All right, you'll see the link to that video. Go ahead and watch it. Okay, so that's for step 1. When you're done with step 1, you move to step 2. So I'm just gonna cover this now because we're not going to be dealing with it here. We've already done that in another video. So step 2, the same thing, is to get a hosting plan. Now, after you have registered your domain, you have a name for your website, you have an address for your website online. The next thing is to get a space on the internet, which is what we call hosting. All right, it's just like you want to build a house. All right, first of all, you need to get a land, all right, where you're going to put the house on. Okay, so the government have already assigned you a place as an address. You already have an address, all right, but you need to buy the land where you're going to build the house on. All right, the blog site is like our house. Okay, then the land is your hosting, okay, where you're going to put the house. So that's simply what it is. So after getting your domain name or your website name or your website address, then you go to a company. It could be the same company, it could be another company, where you can now purchase a hosting plan. We have different hosting plans. We have different companies who are offering hosting services. All right, but there's one that I use, which I actually trust also. So I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video below, so you can check it out. And it is very, very affordable. All right, and their site is very, very fast. It has domain name protection, it has SSL certification, it has all the security, and you have you can create like 100 websites, and the storage capacity is quite huge. So I'd like you to check it out in the description below. Okay, but then again, if you don't have the money to get a hosting plan yet, not to worry. That shouldn't stop you from starting your blog website or your blogging business. All right, so I've already done a video where I teach how to get a hosting plan for free. You're not paying nada. All right, so check the link in the description below to watch that video on how to get a hosting plan for free. So when you're done with that, you move to the next step. So I'm just going to close this out right now. Alright, so the third step is installing WordPress. Now, WordPress is a content management system. Alright, there are 1,001 content management systems out there, but WordPress is the most popular. As a matter of fact, 35% of the internet is actually resting on WordPress content management system. Alright, that shows you alright how effective it is, how efficient it is. Okay, so you have companies like Mercedes actually using it, and a whole lot of big companies actually use WordPress to design create their website. Alright, so we're going to be using WordPress in this tutorial. Alright, so after you have gotten your domain name, you have hosted your website, the next thing you do is to install WordPress. Alright, it's free and it's open source. You can get it and install it. I have done a video on how to install WordPress. I'm also going to leave that the link to that video in the video description of this particular video. So go ahead and watch that video to learn how to install WordPress. So having done that, I'm going to cover it up now so that we can proceed to the next step. Okay, here we are. So step 4 is to import themes and plugins. All right, so that's where we're going to be starting in this particular video. Install themes and plugin. Now the theme of your site is like the framework. All right, it's just like when you're building a house. Before you start building a house, you have to have blocks. Okay, just like a framework where you're going to start putting cement and the roof and all that. So that what a theme is. And plugins are applications that you attach to your website that actually give it enhanced functionalities or enhanced functions so that you can do different operations, all right, with your blog site. Okay, so we're going to be starting from here. Now, if you already have your WordPress installed, you must have a dashboard or an admin office from where you're going to develop, design, and customize the website. So what you need to do now is go to your admin dashboard of your website, and from there you import your themes, and we'll take it from there. So here is my admin dashboard. Okay, so it says welcome to WordPress. We have actually installed our WordPress. So what we need to do right now is to go ahead and import themes. All right, we're going to import our theme right now. So to import theme, you come here to your dashboard where you have appearance. Okay, so you come here where it says themes, you click on it. So it brings you to the themes page. Okay, and you scroll down, you will see other themes that are here. All right, these themes actually came with the default WordPress. When you install WordPress, it will come with some of themes. Okay, so you may not like them to use anyone. We're going to add a new one here that we're going to be using for our blog website. So if you want to add a new theme, what you have to do is to come here where it says add new with this plus sign, or you come up here where you see add new and click on it. Alright, so we're going to upload a theme right now. Okay, you could either use one of the themes that are inside the WordPress repository, all right, or you could upload and install your own theme. Okay, so in this video we're going to be uploading our own theme. So to upload theme, you're going to come here where it says upload theme. There's a theme I want us to use. I'm going to leave the link to that theme in the description of this video, so ensure to look at it and get it. So once you click upload theme, it will bring out this box here where it says choose file. So I'm going to click on it. So it takes me to my folders. So I'll look for where it is in my folders, and then upload it, and then install now. It says the theme installed successfully. All right, so when you have this message, what you do is to come here where it says activate and click on it. All right, so here is our theme which we uploaded and installed. It is active. So if you want to see the theme that you have installed, you go to your front office, you come here where it says where you have your website name, then you come here that you see visit websites, you click on it to take you to the front. Boom. So here is the theme that we have imported. So we are done with that particular step. We're done with this. Though as we go along the line, we're still going to import some plugins. So let's just cover this for now. We'll go to the next step, which is step 5, which is to add pages to your site. So coming to your site, you can see that there are different pages here on the menu that actually came along with the theme that you added, all right, or that you installed. Okay, so but if you didn't have that, or maybe you want to add a page, let's say for example you want to add a testimonial page, all right, where you showcase testimonies and feedback from your clients or your customers. Okay, so you can add that. So what you need to do is to come here where you see new, all right, so you look through it, you see posts, media, page, then user. So what we want to add is a new page, so you click on the page. Okay, so it brings us here where it says add title. So you add the title of your page, in this case testimonial. If you have a paragraph, you could put it, or you want to add media, maybe you want to add a picture to the top of your page, so you could click on this add media. So you can select a page an image from your media library. So you look through, if you have the one there you want to put, you just choose this, and then you come here, insert into page. You can see the one that is done. You come here where it says publish, then you publish it. So you can see here where it says page published, view page. So you click on it to view the page that you have published. And then under here you see the permalink of the page. So let's view the page. You can see this is our new page that we have created, and right here you can see it has been added. The page has been added to the menu. Okay, all right, so we're done with adding a page. Let's go to the next step. So we're done with this now. We'll have to cover it up. Alright, so coming to step 6, create your first blog post. So let's go to our site. We'll come here. This is the blog page. So we have a default blog post here that came with the theme that we installed, right? But we want to add more blog posts. So how do we add blog posts? So to add a blog post, what you need to do is come here again where it says new. Then you come down, you see posts. Then you click on it. Alright, so we're going to have to put in the title of our post. So I'll add my title here where it says add title. Then when you've done that, you come down here and start creating your posts right here. You can type whatever you want there. Okay, so I'm just going to get my posts and put here now. So I'll put my post here. So here is my posts right here. So you just format it properly. Whether you format it to the center, align it to the center, or to the left, whichever. But to the left is much better. The left. Alright? So if you want to include your links, you can actually use it. You have your link here. Alright? You can highlight the one you want to put a link. Then you go here. Then insert the link there. Okay? And then you say enter. Then that will be it. For example, you want it to lead somewhere else. Get the link. You insert it here. Then you click on enter. So when someone clicks this, it will just take the person automatically to the link that you have added. Okay? So you just format everything. When you're set, come here where it says publish. Our post is published, as you can see here. So let's view the post. Boom. Can you see our post? Looking beautiful. Okay, so you can add images to this post, all right, so that to make it more engaging, all right, and more appealing to your readers. So let's go and add image. So if you want to add image or edit the post, you come here where it says edit post. So it brings you to the page editor. All right, so the first thing we're going to put is a featured image. All right, a featured image is a big image on the top of the post that will kind of give people an idea of what the post is about. So you come over here and look for featured image. So you will see set featured image and you click on it. So it brings you to your media library. So you now choose the image that you want to put there. All right, depending on the kind of post you have, you put an image that is related. So I'll put this smiling lady here. Then you come here, set featured image. You can see it's here. You come up here where it says updates. Then you click on it. All right, so let's go back to view our posts here. It says post edited, view post. Can you see that now? So we have our featured image right on top. of our posts. But what if you want to put images within your posts? Okay, you can also do that. You come here, edit posts. So you go straight to where you want to put the post. Let me say, for example, I want to put a post under here, where you want to put the image, and then you come up here where it says add media. Click on it. So you select the image that you want. You come here, insert into posts. You can see it has been added into our posts. Okay, so you can do that for any position you want to put your image. So you come here, after you've done that, then you click on update. Okay, it says post updated, so let's view our post. Boom, you can see we have our image right here. So if you want to bring up an image from your system, okay, instead of the media library, you can still do that as well. Come to the position where you want to put the image, just like before. You click on it, add media. So instead of choosing media library, you choose upload files, and it brings this, and you say select file. Click on select file. So you go to your system where you have the images you want to put. Alright, when it has been uploaded, then you come here, insert into posts. Boom, see, it has inserted it. You come up here, update. View post. So you can see our image there. So now you can see this, the category here, it says uncategorized. So for each post, you should have a category. Alright, it's good that your audience know the category that the post falls in, depending on what you're blogging about, whether fashion, whether travel, whether food, alright, whatever it is. So each blog should be put in a category. Alright, so to add category to your blog post, you come back here, edit post. So you come over to this side and you scroll down where you see categories. Alright, so it's we have this uncategorized checked here, so you uncheck it and then you click on add new category. So the blog posts, depending on what it is, alright, you put the category. This one here is about fashion, so you write fashion there, then you click add new category. So you can see that's added it. Okay, so you come here again, update, post updated. So let's view our post. You can see now the category has been changed to fashion. Alright, and then another thing is the permalink. This the link you have here, you can see the link is quite long. Alright, so we're going to change this link to have only the name of our website and the title of the post, the blog post. So to do that, we'll go back to our dashboard, and then you scroll down to settings. See here, settings, and you go to permalinks. You click on it. So you see the formats of the permalink here. Alright, see, this one is just plain, day and name, month and name, numeric, post name. So we'll put it here. So only the website and the post's name will be showing on the permalink. Alright, once you've done that, you come here and click Save Changes. So let's go back and view it. Check our blog. So let's open it up and see the permalink. You can see it now, the site name and the title or the name of the blog post. That's just what you have there. Okay, so right now let's move to the next step. So we're done with step 6. We've created our blog post, so I'll cover that out. We're also done with step 7. We've published the post, so I'll cover that out. So the next step is step 8, which is to customize your pages. All right, so we've already done much customization here. So let's see how to customize other pages. Let's say, for example, the About page. Okay, as a blogger, you need to come across as a professional. Do you understand? So people can know you. All right, and that means on your blog site, you need to have information about you. So that's what this About is all about. Interesting, what the About is all about. So let's go to the About page. Okay, so if you want to add stuff here, so what you do is to come to this place where it says Edit Page. Okay, so this is the page. You're gonna have to remove all this stuff here. Okay. So you can type here About Me. Okay, so then your picture, you want to add your image. Okay, so you can do that. You put it on top here, just like we said initially. You will go to media, then choose the image you want to put there. Okay, insert your image right up here. Right, so you can see this image looks small, so if you want to enlarge it, you can do that. All you have to do is click on it, and then you see this pencil sign right here. All right, then you come here, you see align to the left, center and right. So you can put center, and then the size, you have thumbnail, medium, full size, custom. You can put full size. Okay, you can see it has changed. And when you're done, there's advanced here, but you don't need that for now because it's just your picture. All right, so you come down here and update. So you can see the picture is larger now. So when you're done, come here, update. Then you go update again. You can see that. So the title here, we can change it by coming here, edit page. You can put About Me there. Updates. Then view page. You can see About Me added there. Let's go to the next step. We've customized our pages, so let's cover it out now. So the next step is to add social media icons. So to do that, you go to your dashboard, and then you come here, plugins, add new. So there are several social media icon sharing plugins, all right, that you have on WordPress. So you could just take any one, but I usually prefer this one, Social Share, all right, by Team Heater. So you can install that. It has over 50,000 active installations, and it's compatible with the WordPress version. So that's what you want to check. You check if it is compatible with the version of WordPress you're using. All right, you can activate. So here it is here. So as you can see, you can share your blog posts from anywhere, either from the side here. You share to Facebook. It opens your Facebook and requires you to log in. All right, or WhatsApp. You can share it to WhatsApp. All right, or you can come down here. You still have it here. Okay, instead of just the one that came with the theme. So you have social icons everywhere to share. All right, so we're done with that. Let's see the next step. So we're done with step 9. We'll cover that up now. Then the last but not the least is edit blogger profile. So let's go to our blog posts. You can see here there is no picture. So we're going to edit this, right? Put profile picture. So how do we do that? You go to your dashboard. You come to users here. All right. Then click on profile. So here you are on the profile page. When you scroll down, you can see there is no picture on your profile. The username is already there, which is the username that you put when you were installing the WordPress. So that one can be changed. So the only thing you can put here is your name. So put my name here. Then if you have a nickname, you can put your nickname there. All right. And your contact is your email address, and then a website. So you can put about a little biography or your bio. Have it there. All right. And then the profile picture, you have to put your profile picture. So you click here. You can change your profile picture on Gravatar. So when you click here, it takes you to Gravatar. Gravatar is the site right here where you actually put in your profile picture and profile details. It's actually connected to WordPress. So you click here, create your Gravatar. So here now you put in your details, okay? Put your email address here, the username, choose a password. All right, so create account. You must ensure that the email you're using here is the same email on your WordPress profile. Okay, it has to correspond for your Gravatar account to connect to your WordPress. Okay, so create account. Login. Okay, it says the account hasn't been activated yet. It says check your email for a message from WordPress.com and click the activation link. You will be able to log in after that. So go to my email. All right, so this is the activation link here. Open the mail, the activate accounts, and click on it. Our account is activated, so we'll go back there and then click on login. So I'll come here, sign in, you say approve. Here you are. So this is your Gravatar account. So you come here where it says my profile. Here you put in your information. Here you can still put in your about me here, and save profile. Add image, choose file. Next. Okay, so it brings it here. Crop image. That's it. Set rating. You click on set rating. You choose G rated. Click on set rating. Boom. Let's go back to our site. Update profile. You can see picture as shown here. So let's go to our front end. You can see a picture has been added there. Alright, so that's all there is to it. This is the last step. We've covered that. Edit blogger profile. So let's cover that up. So our blog post is set. Now let's go over the steps once again, just as a recap. Step 1 is what? Get a domain name. Alright, so we'll cover that. You can find the video in the video link in the description below. Step 2, get a hosting plan. Alright, also the video for that you can find the link in the description below. And step 3, install WordPress. Alright, also the video is in the description below. Then step 4, import themes and import plugins. Alright, so we did that here. Then step 5, add pages to your sites. Alright, so we did that. You saw us added testimonial page. So step 6, create your first blog posts. Okay, we did that. We created our first blog posts. Then step 7, publish your blog posts. We'll publish the blog posts. Step 8, customize your pages. We did just that, right? Then step 9, add social media icon, which we did here. Then step 10, last but not the least, edit blogger profile. All right, so you can see that step by step we have been able to create our blog right from scratch. All right, very easy, very simple, very straightforward. Okay, and if you have found value in this video, I'd like you to give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can show other people this video so that they can also benefit from it. And I'd like you to also subscribe to this channel. On this channel, I share valuable information around website design, WordPress, content creation, copywriting, blogging, SEO, and digital skills that can actually help you start your business online, scale your business, drive traffic to your products and services, and actually make more money. All right, so you need to subscribe to this channel so that when I post a video, you can have access to it. And also click on the notification bell so that you can be notified when a new video is posted on the channel. All right, so till my next video, peace.